Hey everyone! So in Albanian culture, weddings are a really big deal. They're not just about two people getting together, they're about two whole families joining up and celebrating where they come from. It's like saying out loud, "We're together!" And it shows everyone that the couple is growing up and ready for new things in life. Everyone in the town or village comes together. It helps people feel close and remember what makes their culture special. How big and fancy a wedding is can often show how important a family is. People plan these weddings for months, sometimes even years, very carefully. Everything, like who's invited, what special clothes people wear, and the music, is picked out to show respect for old ways and for the guests. Weddings are like living history books. Old traditions are done and loved by young people too. Every special thing they do has a deep meaning that's been passed down from grandparents to parents to kids. When you understand these traditions, you get a peek into what Albanian people believe in, and what's important to them. Weddings link the old times with today, and that keeps the culture going strong. They're a bright and lively show of everyone being together, who they are, and how things keep going. The road to an Albanian wedding often starts with something called shkuesia. This is like old-fashioned matchmaking, where wise older people help find a good match. What people think of a family is super important. It helps make sure the couple will get along well and have a strong marriage. When everyone agrees on the match, then the serious talks start. This is called fejesa, or engagement. The groom's family goes to the bride's house and they give each other gifts. This shows they're serious. The fjala, or besa, is a very special promise. It's like a super strong handshake that ties both families together. Talks about the paja, which is like a wedding gift from the bride's family, are done very politely and with respect. The paja is often things made by hand, and it helps the new couple start their life together. People in the community know what's happening, and they're happy for them. They give advice and wish them well. The time they're engaged is for getting everything ready and for everyone to get more and more excited. Gap 2S. Both families and the couple too plan every little thing for the big party. Everyone starts looking forward to it, and it brings families and the whole community together in happiness. When the wedding day gets closer, special things happen before the main event. The groom has a party called Darka e Bekarit. It's his last night as a single guy, and he celebrates with his friends and family. The bride has a kanagjej, or henna night. There's music, pretty henna patterns are drawn on her hands, and people wish her good things for her future. They sing sad but sweet songs because she's leaving her family's house. The bride's paja, those special gifts, are all set out for people to see. It shows how skilled she is and how generous her family is. Her female family members and friends help make beautiful things like embroidered cloths. Seeing all the paja shows how much love and hard work went into getting her ready for her new life. Saying goodbye is a big moment, with lots of feelings. Her family gives her loving advice and good wishes. Old traditional songs really show how close she is to her family and how important this change is. All these special things show how important family, community, and old ways are. They help get the couple ready for their new life as a married pair. When everyone in the community is involved, it makes it all feel even more special. Now everything is ready for the big wedding party. On the wedding day, the groom's family makes a happy parade called the krushkit. They go to get the bride. Someone carries a flag at the front, and they show up at the bride's house with music and lots of fun. The bride, who often wears a veil over her face, is officially given to the groom's family. It's a special moment. Sometimes there are fun little games or challenges at the door, which makes it all more exciting. The wedding ceremony can be a bit different depending on where you are or what religion you follow, but some main parts are always there. Saying promises to each other and giving rings is a very important part. It shows they're really serious about being together. A wise older person or someone from the church often leads the ceremony and gives a blessing to the couple. The bride's veil, called a velo, is a sign that she is modest, and it's also for protection. When the groom lifts the veil, it means he accepts her, and she's welcomed into his family. Everyone cheers and claps to celebrate them getting married. The ceremony mixes old traditions, lots of feelings, and everyone being happy together. After the wedding part, the big party called the dasme starts. There's tons of food, music, and everyone is welcomed. Guests eat yummy traditional foods which show how great Albanian cooking is. Dancing is a must. There's a circle dance called the vale, where everyone joins in to celebrate. Different areas have their own special dances and music, which makes it even more fun. The bride and groom do the first dance, with all their family and friends watching. There's a special thing with bread. They offer bread with salt or honey. This is to wish the couple a sweet life with plenty of good things. These old ways show everyone being together, having lots of good things and strong friendships that last. Even though things change with time, these traditions are still super important at Albanian weddings. Young Albanian people, whether they live here or far away, show respect for their background by keeping these traditions going. Weddings make families closer and bring the whole community together. They connect the old days, today, and the future, and help make Albanians who they are. The whole celebration is like a living treasure that everyone loves and keeps safe.